Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting and useful topic for those who suffer from recurrent dental infections. In this video, we will discover the important benefits of essential oils and how they can alleviate the symptoms of a dental infection. So get ready to learn about these amazing oils and improve your oral health. Did you know that more and more bacteria are developing resistance to antibiotics? This is largely due to the inappropriate use of these drugs by the population. Accessibility problems, lack of continuity or adherence, and self-medication are just some of the challenges we face in our health system. Antibiotic resistance is a global problem evaluated by the World Health Organization due to its clinical repercussions and high cost. But all is not lost. Throughout history, different cultures have used plants with antimicrobial properties to treat infections and diseases. These plants contain natural compounds that can be used in the form of infusions, extracts, or essential oils to treat mild conditions or complement the treatment of more serious diseases. However, it is important to always consult a health professional before using plants for medicinal purposes. Before we dive into the fascinating world of essential oils, we first need to understand what a dental infection is and what causes it. Dental infections are common conditions that affect the oral health of many people. These occur when bacteria invade dental tissue, causing pain, inflammation, and sensitivity in the affected area. They can be caused by untreated cavities, dental fractures, or the accumulation of bacterial plaque. In addition to localized discomfort, dental infections can also cause fever, swollen lymph nodes, and will even affect general health if not treated properly. And this is where the amazing essential oils come into play. Can you believe that these little vials contain antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that can help you treat dental infections? Let me introduce you to some of the most effective essential oils and their benefits. One of the most prominent essential oils is lemongrass oil, which has been shown to have antibacterial activity. We also have oregano oil, known for its antibacterial and antioxidant properties. Thyme oil is another powerful ally with antiparasitic, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory effects. And we can't forget clove oil, which has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties and is commonly used to relieve toothache and dental abscesses. Other effective essential oils include tea tree oil, known for its antiseptic and antifungal properties, lavender oil, which helps in the healing process and has a calming effect, eucalyptus oil with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, and vanilla oil, which can help numb toothaches and relax inflamed gums. But that's not all. Extra virgin coconut oil is a powerful ally to combat dental infections. Its components, especially lauric acid, not only fight bacteria, but they also contribute to the whitening of enamel and prevent the formation of tartar. Don't forget to use it as a mouthwash and for brushing. And last but not least, pure cannabidiol oil, extracted from hemp and without psychotropic or addictive activity, has been shown to be antimicrobial, analgesic, and anxiolytic in different studies. Always remember to consult your dentist or doctor for a proper recommendation on the use of essential oils. Before concluding, I want to emphasize some important recommendations. Remember to always dilute essential oils in other extracts or oils before using them, as they are highly concentrated and can cause poisoning or allergies if applied directly to the skin. It is also crucial to keep in mind that essential oils are not a substitute for medical treatment or dental procedures indicated by health professionals. They are more effective as a complement to oral care and can help alleviate mild symptoms of infection. Last but not least, be sure to keep essential oils out of the reach of children, as ingesting them can be toxic. Remember that it is always best to seek the advice of a dentist or natural medicine specialist before using essential oils for medicinal purposes in dentistry. If you have any questions about this or another topic, You can contact us at Channel Island Family Dental, as well as our Facebook page. We look forward to your visit, and we'll make a timely diagnosis. Our dentist in Oxnard, St. Paula, Venture, Newbury Park, and Port Huenham will be able to guide you toward the best treatment to take care of your health and give you back your best smile.